Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll continue exploring how to use JOAT SMS 2025. Note, before you begin the installation, make sure to enable macros. An internet connection is required after installation for the initial activation. After that, the app can run without internet access. Download JOAT SMS 2025 now using the link in the comment section below. Let me quickly walk you through the homepage interface. Current status shows the current operational status of the application. App name displays the name of the application. Minimize minimizes the interface for a more compact view. Save saves your progress or any data entries made. School name, the name you entered during setup, appears here. Total enrollment shows the total number of students enrolled. Days in school displays the number of days students have been in school this term. Reopening date indicates when school resumes after the break. About and uses view brief information and key features of the app. Days from attendance shows the total number of school days recorded in the attendance register. Term dates displays the term start and end dates, holidays, and their respective dates. Subject teachers lists all school subjects along with their assigned teachers. Fees type shows all fees to be collected during the term, including their names and due dates. Examination, enter and view assessments like classwork, projects, quizzes, end-of-term exams, and more. Result input rules set score limits by specifying the maximum allowed in the system. Print design, upload and customize print layouts with your school crest, address, letterhead, name, signature, motto, and more. Result form, access academic and behavioral report forms. Payment form, record payments made by students for term fees. Attendance, record daily attendance. Attendance, get detailed statistics and analysis. Academic, view performance analysis and statistics across subjects. Financial, access school financial reports and summaries. Staff data, record detailed staff information, including photos. Admission, register new students with complete details and a photo. SBA, automatically generate school-based assessment scores for each subject. Report, generate full student reports with one click, including photos. Print student report cards and graduation certificates. Note, many sections include built-in printing features for generating necessary documents. System provides access to fee records backup, permanent data saving, and other essential system settings. Once again, you can download JOAT SMS 2025 using the link in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.